Deb here, the Fruit Salad Tree Company. I'm here today to show you how to unpack one of our fruit salad trees. They have been hand grafted and grown up here on the mid-north coast at our farm. They are packed in this box and sent with Australia Post. The air holes help with keeping them alive and happy in transit. They should last 2 to 3 weeks quite easily. We water them well, and as you can see, the box is quite sturdy. This is the best way to unpack it without damaging the tree. Carefully with a knife or an unpacking blade, slice around the top so the lid should come off properly. Not right through the cardboard, just through the tape. It's got a couple of staples in it, so just pull those free. And then this lid should just slip off. There we go. Just lift it off gently. There's our lovely lush trees, all nice and healthy. Now, the next thing, we've put a sticker on here to make it really easy. Open here. There's a big green line, just to chop down there with your blade. It won't then damage the tree and all those nice healthy branches in there. Here we've got 2 nice healthy citrus trees, multi-grafted, so you get plenty of different fruit varieties. If you just gently bring the branches out and take the trees by the lower base there and slide them out gently, you've got one nice healthy tree and the second one. Now that your trees are safely out of the box, feel free to recycle your box into the worm farm or the compost heap. Head to our website, fruitsaladtrees.com, for more tips and all growing care to help your trees be happy and healthy. Thank you.